In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Messenger language. So if you want to change language in Messenger, you can easily do this using your system language. So most of the application that runs on your device use the primary language on your phone or the system language on your phone. So if you want to change the Facebook Messenger language, all you need to do is change the system language on your device. So if you're done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's just open the Messenger application to confirm that we are using the Messenger in English language. So you set this. Then if you click on settings, you see these are all written in English. Now to change the Messenger language, all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general management. That's on Samsung. For Android, you need to click on language and input. Then select language. Once you select the language, click on add language, or select the language you want to change the Messenger language to under the language list. Select add language here, and then select the language you want to change to. Let's set this. Now you see a pop-up that says you want to keep the current language as default or set the newly selected language as your default. Go ahead and click on set as default. There you go. You should see the language set as default, and instantly your language information will change here. Now to change the language on the Messenger, just go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device like this. Then you should see the language change from English to the selected language on your Messenger. You see that? So this is how you can easily change language on Messenger. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.